Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can transfer USDT from OKX to Tonkeeper wallet. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. So first thing first, go ahead, open up your Tonkeeper app, and simply we have to cross this out because this is how the original interface is gonna be looking like. Now from over here, navigate to the section of receive. Copy the address of this receiving address of Tonkeeper. Now go ahead, go back and open up your OKX wallet. Once you have opened up your OKX wallet, you gotta tap on the get verified. Once you're done verifying yourself, you will be able to do the deposit as well. So what you're gonna be doing is simply gonna go ahead, go to the withdrawal section, and you're gonna go ahead, provide the address which you paid in the address bar, and then you're gonna add in the amount. Make sure to change the currency to Tonkeeper on USDT on OKX. Once you have done that, you're going to enter the amount, review the information, and tap on the confirm. Once the transaction has been confirmed, you're good to go. You can go ahead and go check it out on your Tonkeeper wallet as well, and that is basically it. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.